Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia XA2. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Apps and search for Files Apps. Enter it, and thanks to Files app, you've got access to your images, videos, audio, recents and downloads. Also, you can go to Menu, where you can enter new window, new folder, select all, show internal storage or hide internal storage. You can change organization and you can search for certain files. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.